Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So, today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I have exciting news. As you can see here, this is a big box with the words Wick's Pies on it. Well, I found out that I am a Wick's Pies ambassador. So, what does a Wick's Pies ambassador do? Well, let me tell you. Number one, tell people about Wick's products. All right, so I'm going to do this by showing you what Wix sent me.
All right, y'all. So the only thing I did was untape it off camera. So I'm opening the box. Oh, there's a letter. Let's see what it says.
In the interest of time, in the letter, Wix welcomes me to the ambassador program. It also had someone's email on it, and I didn't want that out there. Maybe they don't want everyone to have that. Okay, on with the video.
Ooh, I'm so excited, y'all. All right, moment of truth here. Okay, so it has green cell phone. I'm gonna save this. Ooh, take this to picnics and stuff. Oh, all this is reusable. This right here. Okay, so it has the cold packs. So I'm moving my letter over because I don't want to put the cold packs on my letter. All right, there's another cold pack, and you can reuse these. All right, so this is the flagship right here, sugar cream pie. Y'all, if you've never had this, you are missing out. You have to try this at least once in your life. Sugar cream pie is like the best pie I've ever had. It's like just amazing. All right. So they also have amazing pie crust. So I got a couple of great recipes. Let me turn this the correct way for this. And the pie crust, they shipped in great shape. Ooh, look. Southern pecan pie. Oh, such a traditional pie. And I'm going to tell you, Wix has this down pat. Oh, I'm so excited. But one of the conditions of being an ambassador is I have to give away at least one of my pies.
Number two, give someone a free Wix pie.
You mean leave my hat on or take it off?
You can leave it on. You can introduce yourself.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, my name is Reverend Martell Winburn, and I have in my hand a sugar cream pie from Wix. My wife and family, we fell in love with Wix pies maybe 25, 30 years ago, and we have Wix pies on Thanksgiving and Christmas and special days, and we found these pies to be extremely well, and we just love to have them. We go out of our way to get one of Wix pies. Here's one of my favorite sugar cream, and my other favorite is the butterscotch pie that Wix made, and they're just tremendous pies, and I can't tell you how much we enjoy having them each year. Thank you. Hello. Uh, One of the things that we love about Wix pies, the sugar cream pies, is my wife loves to put butter on them and cinnamon and brown them in the oven, melt the butter and all, and just kind of brown them, and we take them out of the oven, just eat them, and they're just so delicious that way. And I urge you to try that. That's really tops the pie off, and then with a big gob of whipped cream and a cold glass of milk, and that just makes my day.
Number three, show the Wix products and use the Wix products in recipes. So you all know this has to be an easy one for me because if you watched earlier videos, I have talked about Wix pies. I even made a road trip 30 miles one way to buy pie. And, Wix is just a great company. As long as I can remember, my family has always enjoyed Wix pies. So it is an honor that I am a Wix Pies ambassador, and I hope I do the Wix family proud. So the products they sent me again were the Southern Pecan Pie, Wix Pie Crust, which is really good, y'all, and the Sugar Cream Pie. So the Sugar Cream Pie, of course, I gave to Reverend Martell. The pie crust, I'm going to make two recipes, um, a quiche and a dish you can either have for dinner or lunch. It's kind of a pizza themed dish. All right, with the Southern Pecan Pie, we're just going to eat that, except I'm going to take one piece and I'm going to make a hack using a McDonald's sundae to make a Southern Pecan caramel shake of sorts. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, stick around and watch more videos, and make sure you check the description for how you can get this delicious pie. All right, y'all, take care, and I'll see you next time.